Come out like the real. Come out like the real. If she doesn't scare you, then nobody will. What you gonna do when he's real big?
I can't do nothing about it.
Are you gonna talk to him like you do now?
Nope. He gonna be too big.
What you gonna do to
He gonna be
him?
a grown dog. I'm talking to him like a grown man.
That was rude. He gotta go pop-out.
Did he fart on me or what?
His stomach is full, bro. Go take him outside.
I took him out. I just took him out.
He just ate 2 more things.
What's
of
your
food.
name? Xavier? He got me messed up. See, that's why I don't do dog style. He just. I probably look a mess. You got me over here looking a mess. I got on purple pants, gray gray boots.
And I did that?
Did I do that? Can you please take him outside? He rumbling and stuff.
She was holding him, and he,
No,
how
he
your
not
stomach.
gonna do that. He don't.
He
move.
don't go. He's
Go.
so irritating.
Ollie, come on.
He's not going.
Downstairs. Go.
He gonna go right back in this thing.
You think I'm chasing you? Lying, bro. Get your tail up here. Look at me. Look at me. You better start listening.
I hope
Hold
he
your
do his
level.
stomach.
Ooh.
His stomach, he was like,
Don't kiss
It
me.
was disgusting.
Don't kiss me. Don't kiss
don't do
Fat on
that.
his neck.
No, cause Zesha
Nuh-uh.
got a punk dog.
What?
Cause she grabbed him. He was like.
He has never been pulled like
That's what
that
I
for his
said.
mama, though.
That's what I told her. But she said we got a punk dog.
Well, Skip
Our
Zesher.
dog a punk. Don't do my friend now. Hold on, wait. Hold on. Not my friend.
Don't
okay?
be talking about my dog.
Don't be talking about my dog.
Whatever to both of y'all.
That's our dog straight. Come on, man. I look a mess. You got your
There
moment.
go that finger.
You got your moment. What finger? Oh, always.
Never fails.
Come on, man. Get that out of here. BB.